Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a prince. Let's start off with a prince's hair by drawing a wavy line like so that curves down and back like this. From there, add a small V shape for the sideburns, followed by a small S shape underneath and a longer S shape connecting the ends for the back of the hair. Under the hair, draw a line coming down for the face that turns to the right and angles up like so for the chin. Then, a short line coming down from the back of the hair to the back of the neck. Underneath the head, draw a long, flat curve across to start the prince's collar, followed by a short line down from each side and another long, flat curve connecting them. From the collar, draw two really long and flat shapes for the shoulder pads. And under the ends of those, draw a line coming down and out, a zigzag across towards the middle, and a line coming back up here for the tassels. Mirror that on the other side as well. Underneath, add two long, wide curves that goes from one side of the tassels to the other for the cord that decorates a prince's coat. Next, we start the body. Let's draw the prince with his hands behind his back so he looks extra proper. Start with long lines coming down from the tassels that turn inward at the ends for the arms. Then, a line coming down from the cord here for the chest. Add a thin rectangle curving across the bottom for his belt, and mirror the line for the chest on this side but stopping here before turning down and angling in to finish off the arms. For the bottom of the coat, draw a line coming down and out from the belt that turns and curves up to the middle here, and mirror those lines to finish off the coat. Underneath the coat, draw four lines coming down like so for the legs. Then, give your prince some boots by drawing a line across here, extending those lines down, and adding a big bump out to the left like so. Next, mirror those on the other leg for the other boot. Now we can add some detail. Draw some lines across the top of the boots for some trim, and across the bottoms as well for the soles. Add two thin lines across the bottom of the coat for some more trim, and a small rectangle across the bottom of the arm for a cuff with a small circle for a button. In the middle of the belt, draw two vertical lines for a buckle. And down the middle of the coat, a thin line coming down like so for the flap. On the tassels, you can add some vertical lines like so to add some texture. Then, add a small circle on the collar and all along the right side of the flap for some more buttons. Finally, give your prince a crown with a line coming up from the top of the head, a zigzag across that turns back down like so. And now you've got a prince. Comment down below to help us think of new things to draw. And click these videos for more.